Hello, you absolute legends. Welcome back to the channel. John here on a busy morning here in Lincolnshire. You can see Dad's gearing up for what we're doing in this video, which is checking the tracking on the Smart 451. If you haven't seen the previous video, well, we fitted new front suspension, new rear springs. I think the inspector is around here somewhere. Oh, she's here. And we're going to now be checking the tracking because it does feel out. Dad's taking it for a test drive using some very old Dunlop tracking gauges, which Dad was trained on as a young apprentice. We're going to make sure that everything's okay and probably adjust the tracking on the 451. Stay with it then, because by the end of it, we'll be hopefully in a straight line. Afternoon.
Hello, son.
How are you? You all right?
All right.
We've got the Dunlop tracking alignment wheel tracking gauges
mate.
out. What do you reckon to them?
Just a job, isn't it, girl? Hey?
We've used these before on the channel. We used them to track the Fiat van and the Armstrong Siddeley as well, but we've not done the tracking on the Orange Smart. Oh. Do they need calibrating these to the Orange Smart, or are they
son, we'll do it.
All done and dusted?
We need to put it against the wheel, make sure it's halfway up. That there fits there, fits there. So we know that that matches against the wheel.
Yep.
And that one's been done the same already.
So you've actually already calibrated these?
I have. Put those together, look down the tube.
Yeah.
Line up the
arrows.
Arrow and the line. Put that on 15 inches, and that there should be on 0.
And is it on 0?
It is, yes.
Good. So the tool has actually already been calibrated. Last time we did this, I worked the one on the near side and you did the one on the off side. Is it a big job, do you think, to do this?
It is if it won't come, well, if the tractor end nuts won't come undone, yeah.
Right, okay.
We don't know what the figures are yet.
So first port of call then is to align this up with the wheels and check, well, just how far the tracking actually is out. So now that is set up on that side. We need to look down here. I doubt I can look down here with my camera. Should we try it? Oh, I can.
Blow me. That's interesting.
It's not focusing, I'm afraid. So we had a quick look down there. You might or might not have been able to actually see what was going on through that little video there. What can you spot? Is it way out?
I don't know, because you haven't bothered to find out what it should be yet. I keep telling you to find out what the data is.
Well, it's funny you say about the figures, because we've just got the figures from our friends at Evolution Limited, and you've written down some numbers there. Effectively, there isn't, well, too much of a ability to change the settings on a Smart 451, is there? So what is it that you have...
I've got 20 minutes there. Now I'm going to roll it forward, third of a turn.
Yeah.
And check that. And I'll roll it forward another third of a turn, check that, take the average of the
averages. That's it, because you do it in 3 different places. We learnt that from our previous video. At the moment then, how's it looking?
It's not far off.
Is it not?
Nope. Not far off, son.
Nice to see that the wheel alignment inspector is here.
Good. Of a turn. La, 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 la. Stop. Do not move.
So you've moved it further forward for the next attempt. Now to look down it again.
$20 minutes.
So that's showing what, 20 minutes wrong?
20 minutes. 20 minutes toe in, that's what it is.
And that's what it should, no, it should be 36.
Plus or minus 10. I'm not going to argue about 6 minutes, I'll be really honest with you.
So at the moment we don't need to adjust it at all?
Nope.
But you said it needed doing?
It might do.
Oh.
You can't tell by driving it whether it needs doing. We know it needed doing because we was going to do it.
I'm a bit...
We had all new suspension on the front.
I'm a bit confused here.
Why? It needed checking, didn't it?
Oh, needed checking, as opposed to actually adjusting.
It needed checking, me old mate, because we've had all new suspension on the front. We've changed the way it sits, haven't we?
Now I get you. Thought you meant it actually needed adjusting.
You've a job to tell, unless they're a long way out, that it needs doing. If you understand what I'm getting at.
I do, yes.
If it's a long way out, you can tell.
I suppose you can often tell by looking at the wear on the tyres, can't you?
They look like they've been towing out too much. They probably were before we put the springs on.
Yeah, maybe.
Well, I'll call that 17 minutes.
Oh, that is far out.
No, it's not. That's your mum, that is. Say cheerio, mummy.
There's someone at the door. Right, you're doing some quick maths. What you found out?
Well, it should be 36 plus or minus 10. So it can be 26 to 46, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
57. 57 divided by 3 is just under 20. It's 6 minutes out. How much is 6 minutes?
Not a lot.
Nothing.
Right.
I'll tell you what that is. That's not worth doing.
So that is you saying, leave it alone, mate. Fine.
6 minutes.
So actually, this video should be called, let's check the tracking and the alignment. Does it need doing?
6 minutes.
No.
It's about half a millimetre wrong.
And will that make a big difference over time?
No.
Fine, not a problem. You know what we're going to do then?
We're going
to leave it well alone.
I think what we're going to do, we're going to tidy up.
Yeah.
We're going to put the dog safe.
Yeah.
And we're going to have a good thrash around Lincolnshire's back roads to make sure it doesn't fall to pieces.
Sounds good. So actually, an inadverted test drive.
We'll put the old dog in. We'll tidy up first. No, it's not worth mucking about that track.
No?
No.
No, fine. Not worth messing about with it.
No. It really is not.
We needed to check it though, didn't we?
Of course we did.
Good. So actually...
If you're looking at that, I'd say, yes, that's been wearing the tyres, towing out too much.
Yeah.
But now you've lifted it up.
It's sitting right. Good. At least I know.
It'll have changed the angle of dangle of the arms, you see.
The what?
It'll change the angle of the dangle
The
of the
angle of
arms.
dangle. So do we actually need to alter the system? No, we don't. We had to check it though, didn't we? So that's good news.
We're not going to piss them out.
Let's go for a test drive instead.
Half a millimetre.
Yeah, not worth doing.
Half a millimetre. Can you see? You can hardly see half a millimetre. Useful thing to have that was, wasn't it?
Well, those tools.
Yeah. I know it's not as accurate as all your modern stuff, but it gets you somewhere near, doesn't it?
It wasn't a bad £20 spent, was it?
I bet lots of garages still use them.
You know, people have watched this video to see you do some alignment on the 451. Just give us a brief rundown. If it did need doing,
yes.
How do you adjust it then?
On the end of the track control arms,
Yeah.
that come out of the rack, there's a lock nut.
Yes.
You undo the lock nut, turn the track control arm, which will screw the track rod in and out of the track rod end.
Yes.
To make the wheels either go whoop, like that.
Okay.
Lengthen the track
So
control
not a
arms.
big job really. You don't have to have it jacked up and all the wheels off to do that.
Big problem is because they're usually seized up.
Right. So maybe a good idea to keep those nuts lubed. Keep those nuts lubed.
But we didn't have a problem because we've got the top lady on the job, haven't we, mate?
Oh, yeah.
Everything runs smooth when you're here, girl, doesn't it?
My favourite blonde lady.
Hey? You've had some chicken, haven't you? Here's some chicken and some sardines and some treats and some milk. The only thing you ain't had is a cup of tea. I only have tea first thing in the morning when I'm at Grandma's
Right,
house.
Mrs. Inspector, you're going away because we're going for a road trip.
We'll sit you in the conservatoire, little lady, and you'll be all right in there.
I come with you. I come with you. Are you ready for a test drive?
Yeah, he's ready for a nasal assault.
to Two blokes in a smart car.
Give you a nasal,
Have you got wind, have you?
I'll give you a nasal assault.
Oh dear.
You described it as parva.
I did, yeah.
Pour water in the eyes.
Right, here we go. Test drive time. What's the plan? We're just going
Round the back roads.
round the back roads.
Not our squaddy back roads.
I can't believe the blooming engine light has come on again.
Is it gone off now?
No, it's still on. You've done that. You've broken my car. It's been okay for 2 or 3 weeks. Right, here we go. So the reason we're going for a test drive is why?
Make sure there's no falling off.
Yeah, after doing all the fitting and stuff.
Yeah.
Okie dokie. I'm going to do something controversial now.
No, well, don't show them. You can turn round here.
That's what I'm going to do.
You say, oh, look, there's on my grass.
I'm not on your grass.
No, you go on my grass.
You on my grass?
Not on your house.
No. I can drive on the grass at our house. You hear that?
Yeah, it's a concern.
Is it?
Yeah, keep going. Can't really hear for your fucking coat that is rattling like a bloody God knows what.
There we go. All new shockies, all new springs. It's made the ride a bit firmer, mate.
That's only the springs done it, hasn't it?
You can tell it's had some new springs.
This bloke's going agriculting. No, he's not, he's going dogging.
Dogging?
Yeah.
When you say going dogging...
He's taking his dog for a walk.
I thought that's what you meant, yes. So what are you doing, listening out for knocks and bangs?
No, I'm listening for you to say there's a funny noise. Because you've got better hearing than me. I'm just along for the ride. I'm the apprentice.
Are you? Well, there doesn't appear to be any.
Oh, MKM Building Supplies.
What's
Delivering
Flatline
right
doing
on the
now?
corner. I see danger.
Is it my mate Flatline?
I see danger. Very good, son, very good. I'm a bit concerned about this twang that you keep hearing.
Well, I can't hear a twang now.
No, it's a turning twang.
What would that normally indicate?
Spring winding up. Oh! Is it always like that? I thought it was a lot better than the smart car.
What, a bit bangy?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, that's how it should be. Well, that's how it was.
Yeah.
The suspension is much firmer than it was. Now I get to do my favourite pastime.
What's that, son?
Go and have a look at what's in the car park of the garden centre.
Oh, yes. Oh, I know what'll be in there.
Hopefully, we shall see some Hyundai i10s. Shall we go to the garden centre?
We are going to do. I shall be a very disappointed Hector if we don't.
Let's see what we can see.
In fact, I think we should park up and go in and find anybody we know.
So there's a little bit of an ulterior motive here. Oh, Moggy Traveller. In that Mum is currently at the garden centre with her friend having afternoon tea, because that's nice for some people, isn't it? Although I can't see anything exciting. What is that? Oh yeah, a Toyota Urban Cruiser.
Special parking.
Yes.
Well, like that.
But have you seen the Toyota Urban Cruiser?
No.
Yeah, and it's got a crazy number plate. The number plate is Dunlop.
I know. I can spot the Hyundai i10.
Yes, I can spot the Hyundai i10 too. She's parked in a...
amongst the Honda Jazzes.
Yes, in the relevant space. Have you got a badge for that, madam? Yes, is the answer.
She's amongst the...
There's nothing exciting in here. There's a Vauxhall Corsa C, local car.
Facelift.
Oh. Nothing too exciting going on today.
Moggy, what more do you want?
What's this brand new thing here? Suzuki something. Well, Oh, Nissan Note. Yeah, now we're talking.
There's two. I've already seen one. That's a facelift as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
There's two Nissan Notes. Well, that's Mini 1's smoking.
Yes, of course it is.
Because you can't get one through its emissions test. Because it's hydrocarbons. It's running on engine oil.
I mean, I wasn't overly impressed with what we saw there.
Not as exciting as some trips. We have seen a Morris Minor
We
Traveller.
have seen a Morris Minor Traveller, but that is exceptional for the garden centre.
You see that thing there?
What, the Mini 1?
Yes, that is not a Mini. I've never seen a Mini.
It's a hateful little thing, isn't
It's
it?
not a Mini.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you hate the new Minis?
What, 1 being the least and 10 being the greatest?
10 being, I hate it with a passion, they should be wiped off the face of the earth.
Yeah. 9.
What's the one that you've got left there?
Well, I'm just giving them the benefit of the doubt for the 1 or 2. But the burn oil, they do horrible old thing. They've got some sort of. That's the early ones, isn't it? It's the problem.
You know who likes them, don't you?
Mrs. John C.
Yeah, Mrs. JC. Yeah. Anyway, we went to the garden centre. We didn't see anything too exciting, really, which is a shame. I'm going this way. I'm assuming what we'll do is we'll get it back home and then make sure everything's okay. And Robert is your mother's brother.
Yeah, you can take your dog home and I'll bring this to your house. And,
yeah, can do. Okay, so we're on the way back. Just a few things to check out.
Fly tipping there.
Oh dear. Any major concerns from you?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
What major concerns
You
have
keep
you
hearing
got?
a creak.
Yeah, well, it's a creek when we're steering, isn't it? But
Yes, we're going to have a look at it.
We'll
Look,
have
all
a
these
look.
people can't get around some Bell's Park to flipping van in the road.
You know
all
what?
the places to put a blooming van.
You know what I'm calling that? Natural traffic calming. That's to stop people from flying down here.
Traffic calming measures. Just get out cars and park them up and down here. I'll put it in a sensible place.
Here.
That sounds sensible to me, son. Whoa! Right, we'll shut the gate, let the old dog out for a week.
Good.
We'll have a look under there. We'll have a jack it up and have a look at them bits.
Yeah.
Make sure no it's falling off.
Yeah.
Then you can go and look after your cats. Just shave your cat.
Yeah, one's got fleas. Thanks, Mop. Are you scratching because of the fleas? Aha, the smart inspector. Oh, no. She's gone with Grandad, might be treats. As ever, thank you for watching this video. Dad and I have selected a couple more videos for you that we think that you might like. They're here now. Just give them a click to watch them. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. It means a lot to us. Thank you.